Divisibility by 17. Rule: a number is divisible by 17 if after multiplying the last digit by 5 and subtract it from the rest, the result is divisible by 17. We can repeat this procedure more than once, until we get a suitable number. For example, 16,694 is divisible by 17, as 1669 minus 4 times 5 is equal to 1,649. Then 164 minus 9 times 5 is equal to 119, which is a number divisible by 17, as 119 divided by 17 is equal to 7. Therefore, the original number is also divisible by 17. On the other hand, 7,195 is not divisible by 17, as 719 minus 5 times 5 is equal to 694. Then 69 minus 4 times 5 is equal to 49, which is not a number divisible by 17. The calculator gives 16,694 divided by 17 is equal to 982, and 7,195 divided by 17 is equal to 423.23529, results that confirm the correct solution made. That is all for lesson 1.6.17. To continue this tutorial, please watch 1.6.18, Divisibility by 18. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.